Did you ever have trouble to fill up when you are at the pump and it just keeps clicking on you? Mine's getting pretty bad, and I'm going to tell you what you have to do. I unplugged the evaporative emission system leak detection underneath my truck at the charcoal canister, and now it works. I can hold the trigger for the pump and it'll let me pump in the fuel without clicking every 2 seconds. So that means I just need to replace that part. I'll show you in a second how you have to remove it so that you can fill up your truck. It takes 2 seconds. So guys, it's right here. That's that component right here. So this is the back of your fuel tank. This is the shield for your exhaust here. And then that's a component that's giving us trouble. So in order to remove this or to reinstall it, this is just a quarter turn. There's a little clip you have to press to unlock it. It sits right there into it. So you turn it counterclockwise to remove it, just like an eighth of a turn. Alright, little trick is, in order to click it back in, you need to remove this hose here so that you can move the valve a little bit more in here so it sits straight against your charcoal canister. Now you can just push it back in after. If you do this, you're going to be at least able to finish filling up your truck at the pump. A couple things to know is make sure that you leave the leak detector connected to your computer if you're moving the truck, or it's gonna throw a check engine light. If you want to know what else it could be and get more into detail of how to change those parts, click on this video. I'm a licensed mechanic, so don't forget to subscribe so I can show you more tips and tricks.